catch and go.
Yeah, I was about to say, it's on enough. It should be catching and grabbing back with them tires.
Oh! Step through that hole.
God damn. I can't believe it ain't going. Success. Just get the hell away from me. Listen to that squeak. You didn't shit your pants, did you?
Huh?
I said you didn't shit your pants, did you?
I pissed them.
No shit.
Nah.
I'd have done it, man.
When I first got stuck, I had to, though.